Here's another one dealing with a triangle. We took this one from a PSAT from a few years back. Let's have a look at this one. Question reads the following. In the XY coordinate plane, the vertices of triangle POQ are the origin, point Q, which is located 0, 2B, and point P, which is located at A, B, where A and B are positive numbers. Which of the following represents the area of triangle POQ in terms of A and B? They give us some answers here. This looks like a handful. Let's pause the video, think about it, see if we can solve it, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're back now. I think when most kids read this, they're not really even sure where to begin. So typically, let's see if we can draw a picture. Let's see if we can get an idea what's going on here. So I'm going to draw the coordinate plane. Whoops. If the pen will allow me. Here's my x-axis. Here's my y-axis. Should know where the origin is, right? That's right there, 0, 0. Point Q is at 0, 2B. So the x-coordinate is 0. The y-coordinate, they tell us B is positive, so we better be going this way. No idea where it is. I'll just put her up there. And then let's see, point P is at A, B. So a positive x for A, a positive y for B, and I know it's about half. So it's probably somewhere in here. I guess we can try and draw a triangle. Let's see what we got here. So now we got that. Now let's see. They'll give us the formula. However, I'm pretty sure everyone knows that the area of a triangle is just 1/2 the base times the height. Now I think we got two issues here. Number one, people see variables in lieu of numbers. That always makes people a little nervous. Secondly, the coordinate plane, people think distance formula. Neither test will provide you with the distance formula. If I had a guess, I would say over 90% of the time when things are in the coordinate plane, you don't need to use the distance formula. So let's think about this logically. We know the base of a triangle typically, if I drew just a standard right triangle here, right? I think most people would agree that bottom straight piece is the base, right? And if that's the bottom, the height is going to be the highest point straight down, right? Does that help us at all? I mean, we don't have a right triangle, but when we're in the coordinate plane, we want to always try to go with the axes. We want to try to go with the x-axis and with the y-axis. So what if, excuse me, what if I made this the base of my triangle? That's a straight line. When we're talking about areas of triangles, we always try to use straight lines. And because I'm going with the y-axis, I don't need the distance formula. I can just look at my y-coordinates and figure out the distance between those two. So from 0 to 2b is just a distance of 2b. That's all. So we can call that the base. And if it helps to turn it, you sort of turn the triangle to look at it like that. But if that's the base, the height would then be the highest point straight down to there. And so now we're going with the x-axis. Let's just look at the difference between the x-coordinates. So when we do that, I mean, we can all agree that x-coordinate is just going to be 0, and this x-coordinate is just going to be A. The distance from 0 to A is simply A. Alright, let's put it back into the formula and see what we have here. So we have the area is equal to 1/2 the base, which we've called 2B, and the height, which we've called A. If we clean all that up, we could see the 2 and the 1/2 should cancel. We just get B times A, which is the same thing as A times B. Thank you very much.